Today we're making black chocolate peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. It's a lot of chocolate. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we are expanding upon our black chocolate chip cookies. If you haven't seen that episode, click that card, it'll take you to that day. But I promised that I would make something for those of you who are peanut butter lovers. Now this also uses something which you might not have, but there is a link down to it in the description along with the recipe. And this is dehydrated peanut butter, or it's basically peanut butter powder, or it's peanut powder. You can get that through most places. It's in the baking aisle, or in the health food section, or like I said, it is down below in our in the description. I'm going to add that to my flour and my chocolate. And I am using black chocolate. That's really important because it does add some extra flavor. And baking soda. I'm going to give this a light whisk because somebody wasn't smart enough to use a container that would be big enough for this, but you get the idea. It does not matter how much you mix this because it will get mixed in the mixer, of course, hence the name mixer. And what I've found, if I have a situation like this, I'll try to hit the edges, twist it around, and you notice how I'm bringing some up from the bottom. That helps mix it up. Now, if you're dealing with a day that isn't like today, and it's super hot here, I mean super hot, so everything is melting and I'm re-chilling and then trying not to let it go to liquid. But that should be softened butter, not necessarily melted, but softened. But like I said, it's super hot right here, right now. I'm going to mix that with my sugar. I bet you we get a storm. To that, I'm going to add my eggs. Preferably one at a time, but it's okay if you don't. A good pinch of sea salt. Homemade vanilla. You can buy vanilla or you can learn how to make your own. Just click that card up there. It'll take you to the day where I made vanilla. Now, on low, trust me, on low on this one. Add your flour mixture. I can smell the peanut butter already. Now here's the fun part. You can use pecans, walnuts, or you could use peanuts. I'm going to add my chocolate chips, then my pecans. I am going to give this a quick scrape. Then we are going to, I've got chocolate all over me. Then we're going to drop this by the scoopful onto my silicone-lined pan. Just like before, my oven is preheated to 375 degrees. Space these out. They do want to travel. You're going to bake these for about 10 minutes or until they are set. Let me get these into the oven. Alright, the cookies are done. I'm going to take them out and cool them on a wire rack. I did let them sit in the pan for about 3 minutes. You can go a little longer. If you take them out before that setting time, they will just sort of flop apart. I love a day like today where I can bake a whole bunch of cookies at once. Our cookies are cooled a bit. I'm going to go ahead and give these a taste. These really do have the integrated chocolate and peanut butter taste. I think these would be really good with peanut butter chips or whatever you want it to put into them. These would be so good. Now, if you make these, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope I get to see you again next time you stop by. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.